Ladies and gentlemen, these are V-Day shots. Okay, now these are ultra cool. Check out what we did here. Candy melts. What are we doing with candy melts? Okay, we melted them. Then we get a little paper cup. Paint inside with the candy melt, the pink one, okay? Because what we're doing is we're making a chocolate shot glass, a pink chocolate shot glass. Check this out, man, okay? And as it hardens, okay, you get that nice glass shape. So we put that aside to harden. Let's make our drink. Vanilla vodka. Come behind that with some white chocolate liqueur. Follow it up with some half and half milk. Okay, then we shake, 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 shake. All right, we break out our shot glasses, which should be nice and firm now. And we pour our mix in. Check it out. You can see the actual mix going in. You see what I'm saying? Beautiful. Put a little whipped cream on top of that bad boy. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Okay, and then come behind with some Valentine's heart sprinkles. Okay, you could buy this Valentine's time of year. And there you have it, okay? So tipsybartender.com, we got all your Valentine's needs.